welcome back to my channel. I have a Feel Unique beauty box unbagging. Not one, but two. This is the Feel Unique Build Your Own Beauty Box subscription, which I have done a video on before, but I've got another two to show you. So you basically create your own beauty box in the subscription, and I will list all the details down below if you don't know about it. You get to pick 5 products. So I've got October and November to show you. Okay, so in the first one, this is the October one, I have pretty much used all of the products. The first thing I've got is Svr Micellar Water. Hopefully you can see that. This is a 75ml bottle, and I've already used this, as you can see. I enjoyed using it. It does get off my eye makeup quite well. It says soothing anti-redness cleansing micellar water, 0% fragrance, paraben, alcohol, silicone and mineral oils. Good for your skin with no parabens and fragrance free and stuff like that. So if you've got really sensitive skin, this would be quite good for you. Next thing I've got, which I've been absolutely loving, is a Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It says sustainable packaging. This is a 15ml tub. I'll show you. It smells like roses. You only need a little bit at a time, but it just feels really nice on the skin. Makes my skin really smooth and soft. It smells quite nice as well. And the next thing I've got, which I haven't tried yet, but I have smelt it. This is obviously a really similar colour to this, and without my glasses on, I did actually stick my finger in here to use it instead of the moisturiser, and this is a body scrub. So I ended up with this on my face by accident. Marshmallow, I think it's the company more. Marshmallow sugar crystal body scrub. Massage into wet skin in circular motions, concentrating on dry areas of the body, rinse off with water. So yeah, I haven't tried this yet, but it does smell really nice. It's a 30g tub. So cute, the size of it. Okay, next thing I've got in this one is what I was most excited about, which is a Svr E05 brush. It's the eyeliner brush. I'll just show you. It's like a really stiff kind of bristle brush with a pointy edge. So yeah, it's really good for like gel liners and stuff like that. Not really a great deal I can say about that, but that is what I was most excited about in this one. I just like the Svr brush packaging, the hot pink. And then the last thing that I got in the October is the Blossom and Bloom All Night Long Calming Sleep Spray. I actually used this yet, but I thought this was a really good idea to try. How to use: spray over pillow and bedding, 99% naturally derived, cruelty-free, made in Great Britain, 100% vegan. And this is a 40ml bottle. So I'm going to give this a go. I'll let you know how I get on with it, but I do struggle to get to sleep sometimes, so I thought it'd be nice to give this a try. Then we've got our November. So obviously I've used some of the October products, so I'd opened that one already, but I've not opened this one yet, so I actually have forgot what I chose. Okay, so first thing I've got is, ooh, how do you pronounce that? I think it's Kores, K-O-R-R-E-S, Guava, Renewing Body Cleanser, Renew and Hydrate. This is a 40ml bottle, 90.2% natural origin content. Ooh, it smells lovely. Yeah, I think I was just really attracted to this because I never get anything from the beauty box that's like, you know, for your body basically. It's always makeup or skincare for your face. Next thing I've got is from Lancome. This is so diddy, look how small this is. This is Lancome Advanced Genifique Concentrate, Youth Activating Concentrate. It doesn't say a great deal on the bottle because it's so small. It's a 5ml tube, so it's just like a little tester of it. I can't actually remember, it's been that long since I kind of did the pre-order. You can do it 7 days before your subscription kicks in again for the next month. So I kind of ordered this at the start of November. But yeah, I actually have no idea what that is, but I'll try it out. I'll have to just guess, I think, and put it on my face. Next thing I've got Sol Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream, retexturizing body cream, nourishes as it reveals healthier, smoother, brighter looking skin. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. What else does it say? Made in USA with globally sourced ingredients. Infused with renewing fruit, AHAs and vitamin C. Basically, there's just like a body lotion, a body cream. We need to open it so I can smell it. I feel like I have to smell everything. Oh, that smells so nice. Very fruity. That's lovely. Okay, next thing I've got is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, Intense Reset Concentrate. I think this is very similar to the Lancome product that I chose. But I think this came up in the suggested. I know that this is pretty popular, but I've never tried it before. Just have a look. Oh. It's like a little spoon. Oh, how cute. And the last thing I've got from the November is, oh, I forgot that I got this. The Moschino perfume, Toy 2 Bubblegum. Or de Toilette. I think I just really like the packaging of this, to be honest with you. I've never smelt it before. But again, I was just going for something completely different, so I've never had a perfume or anything out of the beauty box. So this is the packaging. It's very cute. I'm gonna guess that this smells like bubblegum, and it does. It's like a dabber. I haven't used a dabber for a very long time. Oh, that's so strong. But yeah, I just fancied a little fragrance tester from there, so that's what I got. That was all my goodies from my October, November boxes. Like I said, I'm gonna do another one in December, but then after that, I'll probably give it a little bit of a break, and I'll just keep checking and see when they've updated the products and stuff. The best thing I've got so far from the Feel Unique box is the KVD tattoo liner, which is my new favourite. It's just really good and handy to kind of learn about new products and try things that you've never tried, and you might not want to obviously fork out for the big product, so you can get a little sample size of the product, but you know, it's not a little sachet or anything, so you can give it a good try, see if you like it, and then you'll know if you want the full-size product. That smells so strong, that perfume. I've just put it on my hand. I hope you liked the video. I will link down below the Feel Unique beauty box if you do want to give it a try. So far everything I've tried from there has been great, and I would recommend it. Definitely for the price, you do get your money's worth. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.